Welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I am going to share a quick tip with you. If you want to know or if you don't know how do you edit, how do you cut your videos using InShot application. It is available for Android and iOS devices. It is a basically it is a video editing application, but you can also edit your photos and you can create beautiful photo collages using this free video editing application. So if you want to cut your videos, simply go to video and now you just need to select a video. For example, here we have this video. Let's select this video, and now if you want to cut this video, you need to select on this trim option. So now we have three options: trim, cut and split. So if you want to split this video in two parts, you just need to move this option and then tap OK. And now you can see we have two clips, 9 seconds and 6 seconds. You can also further trim your video. So you have this trim option, as you can see. Then we have cut option, so you can very easily cut the video. And now we have three clips. So overall this is a very simple and easy to use application, and you can use it very easily to edit your photos and videos on your Android or iOS devices. Thank you very much for watching this video.